Hello ladies and gentlemen, my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. And today we are at Ada Estuary and we are heading towards the estuary to look at where the river and then the sea meet. God is indeed wonderful. God has made it so wonderful for two different water bodies to meet. So we are going there to see how these two water bodies meet. So without much ado, come with me and let's go explore the estuary. Are you coming? Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, finally we are at the estuary. Okay, this is where the river and the sea meet. So come and let's have a look at it together. Yay. So at the far end where the sea goes up and down, or where the sea, where you see with those whitish substance, that is where the sea is. Okay, so that is the sea. And at this side where the water is so serene and so calm, that is where the lake is. And can you see where the debris are? Okay, so where we have the debris is where the sea and then the lake meets. So this is basically the estuary. Okay, that's the estuary. This is absolutely beautiful. This is breathtaking. It's so fulfilling watching this. I wish I could watch this the whole day. Watching this gives me so much fulfillment. Oh my goodness, nature is absolutely beautiful, and God is wonderful. How the sea, okay, and the lake meet each other at a point. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful, and I'm never tired. You know, I'll be here for some time and I'll be watching this for a long time, but I'm never tired. I'm not tired of watching this because this is absolutely gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Just look at this. Just look at this. This is so beautiful. So after experiencing the estuary and taking my time to thoroughly watch it to my satisfaction, I decided to experience or tour other parts of the island, and I came across these young boys who were playing a fun game. So and I decided to participate. I'm sorry, you're out. All right, let's go. 4, 3. You're out. I'm sorry, you're out. Okay, 3. You're out. I'm sorry. 3, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry. Ready? 4. Disqualified. All right, ready? All right, 3, 2, 1, 3. Disqualified. You are disqualified. All right, shall we move on? All right, make sure that the line is straight. Are we ready? Are you good to go? 3, 1, 4. 4, 2, 1, 3, 2. You are disqualified. All right, are we ready? Are we good to go? All right, let's do this, guys. 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4. You are disqualified. Alright, are we good to go? Alright, how many people? Okay, we are just two people standing. Let's see who will be our winner. Are you guys ready? Are you really ready? 4. You are disqualified. That's our winner! Yay! Alright, so our winner is going to win a special package. So let's how do you feel about winning this game? It feels good, right? Yeah. Alright, so you're going to win a special package, okay? Okay, let's go! Go! Wait, that's a winner! What happened? Winner! Okay, congratulations. You guys have done well. So, the people who live on the island and along the coast are predominantly fisher folks. So, I met this gentleman who is a fisherman, and as you can see, he went to catch some fish, and he had wanted to give this fish to me. Unfortunately, I couldn't accept them because I was afraid that before I got fish would go bad, so I didn't accept it. He went ahead to share with me his experiences. He told me that people came from far and near to experience the estuary. He even went ahead to tell me that people sometimes even spend as many as 1 week, sometimes 2 weeks on the island, just because it's so beautiful and they enjoy the experience. So this is a sign that you really need to visit the estuary and then experience the beauty of this harmonious, gorgeous piece of land that God has blessed the people of Adam with. Now, I went ahead to explore other parts of the island. Oh my word, the island is so big. It's super, super, super huge. And there are 4 interesting things that I have discovered about this beautiful island. There are 2 things that I have discovered were that the island is surrounded by both the sea and then the water, or it's surrounded by both fresh water. And then the thing that I have realized or discovered is that you can either drive to this island. So where we are now is a place where vehicles can actually drive onto the island. And another thing is that if you don't want to drive, you can use the boat or the canoe to the island. If you still don't want to use the canoe or the boat to the island, you can as well walk. So you do not have any reason as to why you shouldn't visit this beautiful, beautiful piece of island. The island is really, really, really big. So let me take you around so that you can have a proper view of the island. Enjoy it. At this point, I was so thirsty, so I needed something to quench my thirst. And of course, I went for some fresh coconuts. When you come to the island, make sure that you buy some coconut because they are usually freshly harvested from the trees around. It's so refreshing. It's so nice. Know how to get onto the island. If you really want to come to this island, it's so easy. When you get to Ada Estuary is just about 1.5 hours from the capital, that is Accra. So from the capital, just about 1.5 hours drive to Ada Estuary. All right, when you get to Ada Estuary, this is where you are likely to be dropped. Okay, so when you get to the coast or when you get to the bank of the river, there are two ways that you can get to the island or to the estuary. One is by using these boats or these canoes that you see on the water. So you can use the canoes here to the place, or you can actually walk. Now, when you use the canoes, you will pay a fee. Using a canoe is just about 5 minutes to the estuary, but the only bad thing about using the canoe is that you will not be able to see the estuary very well. So I advise that you either go by a vehicle or you walk. And I was glad that I walked to the place because I got the opportunity to interact with the locals. I saw these young kids and they were curious and they were asking me questions. They were waving. They were so nice. They were asking me what I was doing there. The locals were really, 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 really nice. And I got the opportunity to see how beautiful. When I say the place is beautiful, this place, oh my goodness, it feels so serene. It feels so beautiful. When you get here, it feels like you are in Miami or you are at Miami. The ambience is super chill. The ambience, the environment is so beautiful. It's so nice. You really need to experience this. If you use the canoe, you will not get to experience all of this. Okay, so I advise that even if you come with the vehicle, park the vehicle along the coast or along the river and take a walk. It's just about 30 minutes walk from where the vehicles will be parked to where the estuary is, so that you can experience all of this, the ambience, the environment. This, oh my goodness, when we got here, I stood for about 5 minutes because there is this beautiful, the air here is different, okay? The air here is totally different from the air that we breathe in the capital. It's so fresh. It is super fresh. In fact, living in the village is one of the nicest things. These people don't know how blessed they are to be living here. The environment is so beautiful. The trees, oh my goodness. I just really love it here. And these two ladies decided to walk me to the estuary, and I was really grateful. I really appreciated them for their help. They were so nice. They walked me all the way from the bank of the river to the estuary. Just look at this. Let me leave you to enjoy the ambience, okay? So this lady has been very helpful. She gave me, or she led me to where the estuary is. Okay, very helpful, and I really appreciate her company. I really appreciate her time. She's been very, very helpful. She walked me all the way from the far end to this place. So thank you so much, lady. I appreciate you. Something small, so I give them something small to show my appreciation for taking their time to lead me. So it wasn't forced, they didn't force me, but I felt the need to just like a form of say thank you.
We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day.